Skool versus Heygen, which is better? Skool is an all-in-one community platform combining courses, forums, and memberships, ideal for creators building engaged learning communities. Simple and user-friendly, but limited if you want advanced automation or complex marketing tools. But Heygen is an AI-powered video website, okay? Specializing in lifelike avatars and voiceovers, perfect for fast, scalable video content without being on camera. Great for businesses needing quick, professional-looking explainer videos. Which one is better? Choose Skool if you're building community or selling courses. Go with Heygen if you need AI-generated videos quickly and want to avoid being on camera. It depends on your goal, community versus content creation, what you're aiming for. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you the next time.